Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a Swatch watch strap. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe if you enjoy watch tutorials or videos about watches, vintage watches, as we post weekly videos. And also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including vintage Swatch watches, link in the description below. So we're going to use a few tools for this. First, you will need a pair of pliers, then a pin remover, and also, if you want or not, a pair of tweezers. Now you can also go online and purchase the basic watchmaker toolkit. This will be around $15 to $20 on Amazon. I will also leave a link in the description below so you can go and check it out. You have most basic tools that you might need in order to open your watches, to replace the watch batteries, to replace the watch straps on several types of watches. So make sure to check it out. Now, if you have a Swatch, you will know that you have these holes where the metallic pins will go through. I will use the pair of pliers in order to get these off, since these are new watch straps and they're pretty rigid in the beginning. So you will most likely have the two pieces strap, and make sure to use the one with the buckle at 12 o'clock. Place it within the gap, and then you can simply take the pin and push it all the way through. Now, in case it is harder, that is where you can use a little bit of pressure from the pliers, or you can use different methods. What I recommend is that if you have a plastic Swatch watch, make sure to apply little pressure, because these pieces can actually break on the plastic ones and you can no longer use your watch, so you can no longer use the strap on them. So that is why you have to be very careful, especially when you have the plastic one. Then we will put in the second part. Once again, put the pin through. You can try to push it all the way through with your fingers, but you can also use a pair of tweezers on the other end and apply pressure just like this. So little by little, and that is how you place the strap. Now, if you want to remove it and replace it with a different one, that is where this tool comes in handy. So as you can see, you have this type on one end with two pins. This is used for classic watches, where you can easily place them here and remove the pins. And the second part can be used on other types of watches that actually have this whole exterior access. And what you do is place it and push it so that it will pop out on the other end. Then do the same on the other part as well, and that is where you can actually use the pair of pliers. This way you can easily apply small tension and take it out little by little. Always, as mentioned, make sure to apply just a little bit of pressure so that you do not break these holders, so the pin holders of the watch, especially when you have the plastic one. On metallic Swatch watches, that will most likely never happen. And you might also have this type of strap. Both watch straps are aftermarket, so you can easily go and find them online. This time put it this way, and just as we did on the other one, place the pin. It has to go through all these three holes inside the strap. Once again, I'm using the tweezer, so the other end, in order to apply pressure. Now we're going to put it on the other end as well. You can also look from the sideways until you see whether you see light or not on the other end. For example, you can see now that we cannot see anything through the hole right now. And then right now we can see a little bit of room there for our watch pin to go through. So let's do that as well. So guys, that was the tutorial. This is how you replace the watch straps on your vintage Swatch watches or on modern ones as well. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time guys, all the best.